Good morning. It is Friday, January the 12th. And I haven't vlogged for a while, but I thought maybe I might get back at it today. I wish I had said what I had for breakfast. I already ate it. It's just my typical sandwich that I have with my dairy-free cheese, gluten-free bread, and an egg fried in coconut oil. Yeah, and a cup of coffee, which is still sitting there and I have not finished, and I probably won't. But I'm still addicted to coffee. My whole David's tea thing before Christmas, my Vlogmas, where I had a different tea every day, was to try to wean me off coffee. And I did go 3 or 4 days without coffee, but then I would get right back on the coffee. I feel like I waste it because I make it every morning. Put creamer, dairy-free milk in it, and you know, like 6 sips, and I don't even finish it. I feel guilty, but then maybe I should just like get used to that and say, hey, it's okay that you don't finish your cup of coffee. It's all right if you just have a couple of sips. That's what works for you, and that's acceptable. You'll never believe what we're doing on a Friday night. If you can see that, we are looking at trucks. This is the excitement of a Friday night. Oh, I lost the light. Oh, I missed that.
I saw the videotape when you were.
So it is Saturday, January the 19th, and we're going back up to look at the truck in the daylight. I'm going to take it for a drive and see how it sounds. That normally is no water. Oh, we might not get out this way today. Slow down. Oh, he's not going to get... That's just about under. That won't be too long before it'll be up over there. Yeah, won't be too long.
Everybody's slowing down. Holy shit. Oh, this will be on the water side.
I know this will go in the vlog, but it's what? Put yours down, it's awful dirty.
Yeah. Well, probably the mechanic was in it. You see where somebody was doing something. What's that?
A piece of raffia.
Some herbs or something.
I like the fact that it has buttons, you know? Oh, that sounds very nice. Oh, that's your plug-in, and that's a cigarette. You got 2 of them.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 2 of them. Radio sounds awesome.
Shakes bad.
Shakes bad. Okay, that's disappointing. Really? It sounds really nice. Seems to transition good. But now I'm a little nervous if you said it's got a little shake.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's get back at the highway.
It's not raining as hard. The South TC dog pub. I suppose. It's kind of like got a lip on it or something. What a miserable friggin' day. The horn works because I used it with my boob.
There, about 100 kilometers an hour. No shake.
No shake?
No. I think that first shake full. Gas gauge hasn't moved.
Really? That's good. Let me record that.
Why?
Not that it's 1:11 and 1,
Because
but...
it was 16 this morning and it's not what now?
Yeah.
Not even 8 hours. It dropped.
Yeah. I know, and I should have worn my winter coat, but I was sweating this morning.
Oh, I thought you brought it with you.
What?
Oh, someone didn't bring it with you.
I know, I didn't bring it with me. So the temperature has taken a really weird turn. we didn't even try to finance it. It's just that the payment wasn't in, the projected payment was not in our range. So anyway, we're back to the drawing board looking for trucks. So I'm just documenting that we are going into a flash freeze. We have a flash freeze warning in our area, and it is currently 0. It was 1 and it's gone down to 0, and there's a lot of flooding, as you can see earlier from the footage, that will now be frozen. So yeah, weather is amazing.
8? This is weird.
It's just climbing as we're driving.
9.
10.
Oh, this is nuts.
Now I don't feel so bad that I don't have my winter coat on. 11. I'm glad we didn't stay up there. I'm glad we're driving out of it.
It's 12 now.
We're up to 12. We're back into. I gotta turn the heat off. Holy cow, it's getting hot. It's lucky this isn't snow, because it would be quite a blizzard. Yeah, we're at 13. So we're almost to the border. It is 12 degrees and the rain has stopped. Roads aren't too bad looking. Yeah, big change, big change. I think the tide's out too. Oh. Sun's supposed to be out tomorrow. Well, we went to plus 16 yesterday and wearing summer clothes to what I would classify as, yeah, looks stinking cold out there. I think it's about -7 maybe. It's supposed to reach a high of -4. So just a little update on the truck shopping. We have decided not to get the truck that we were driving yesterday. We've talked it over financially. It would just be kind of a burden right now, and where it's winter and you have a higher oil bill and higher power bill, we just really need to get through those times. We're just gonna leave things the way they are, and we have 2 good vehicles, and yeah, we're just gonna muddle along and reevaluate things in the summer. Yeah, so we're on our way to local, do the husband's checks and pick up what we forgot yesterday, and I did get my grocery list. I didn't have it yesterday. Oh, those doggies want in. It's actually snowing a little here today. So you're just picking up a few things and we're heading back home. It wasn't a very exciting vlog. I was kind of hoping that it'd be the vlog where I buy a truck and I could go through and show everyone the truck, but no, that's not to be. So kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna end the vlog for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.